To begin, open your LinkedIn and click Me in the upper right-hand corner. Click View Profile. Click the pencil in the right-hand corner to edit your intro section. Scroll down until you get to the option to change your zip code. Enter your zip code. This could be your office or home zip, whichever you prefer. LinkedIn will then give you two options, one being the specific location or an overarching metropolitan area. You'll see here that my options are Baltimore, Maryland, or Washington, D.C., Baltimore area. Select your location and click Save. That's it. You've now successfully changed your location on LinkedIn.